Hello viewers, how's going? Hope everything is well. Today's video, we're gonna learn about how we can install and use Microsoft Office 2024 for totally free. So let's start the video. First, open your favorite browser. I'm opening Google Chrome and search for Office customization tool. Open the first website, see the URL config.office.com. After opening it, you should see a page like this. What you have to do, select the architecture of your system type. If you are using Windows 11, then select 64-bit. If you are using Windows 10, then select for your system type and select it. After that, in Office suites, select any of this volume license available product. Uh, in my case, I'm selecting Office LTSC Professional Plus 2024 and leave all those blank. After that, in apps section, select which apps you want. In my case, I just want PowerPoint, Word, and Excel. After that, select language of your applications. I'm selecting English United States. After that, export it from here and select Office XML formats. Then click OK, and then it will show a pop-up like this. Accept the agreement here and leave it as it is, like file name configuration, and then export it. After exporting it, it will download a configuration.xml file. After that, search for Office deployment tool, and from Microsoft.com, download the Office deployment tool. Hit on download, it will download the file. After that, what you have to do, open your file manager and then go to C drive, create a new file, new folder here, give it a name. In my case, I'm giving Office 2024. After that, copy those files to this directory. After copying those files to this directory, right click on Office deployment tool and then run it as administrator. Give permission, accept the agreement, and then continue. After that, select the directory which you have created before. Okay, now it's extracted and it gives us two files. Now what we have to do, search for command prompt and run it as administrator. Give permission and then go to the directory. Copy the directory path. After copying the directory path, in command prompt type cd for sense directory and then paste the directory path. Yeah, now we are in this directory, Office 2024. Okay, let's check the files. Yeah, we have the files. After that, what we have to do, just type setup.exe forward slash space forward slash configure, sorry, configure, and then configuration.xml, your XML file name. Make sure everything is correct and then hit enter. After hitting enter, it will download all those files and install it to your system. After that, you can access all the application from your device, like I'm accessing Words or Excel. Previously, I installed 2021. In my case, you can see the product is activated, and Microsoft Office LTSC Professional Plus 2021, and I can create file and work with it. Okay, let's say if I hit enter, it will give you a pop-up like this. In here, it will download all those files and install it to your system. In my case, it's saying that we can't install. For what? For that, I have already installed 2021. So in your case, it will install all those files, and then you can access all those and use it. So that's it, guys. Enjoy your working life. Goodbye.